Perma Mulch is great for gardening in the spring and summertime. It eliminates weeding, trimming, and remulching, but you might be surprised to see how it can be used year-round. Made from recycled tires, Perma Mulch is a mulch look-alike that takes the work out of landscaping. There's no need to deal with unwieldy, messy bulk mulch anymore. Perma Mulch is pre-formed into lightweight, long-lasting designs you can use anywhere. Cut it to fit around trees, beds, and pathways. Unlike loose mulch, Perma Mulch is scatterproof and stays put. Use under downspouts and spigots to reduce muddy splash up. Cover up worn and muddy pathways. Roll it out over snow to create a slip-free walkway. Perma Mulch always looks great and is so easy to use. Try this long-lasting, no-maintenance solution today.